Hello everybody, this is Steven here again. Today we are reviewing the M416 Machine Gun toy. What I have right here is stock. It has no attachments on yet. This is completely stock. As you can see, no attachments, no nothing, no, completely stock. And I'm gonna put the attachments on. Since I accidentally broke the scope, then I won't be putting it on, but to let you know that this is still in the set. If you buy it, of course. This is the M416 with completely equipped. Alright, let's get to shooting. By the way, this gun has 72 ammo, and I'm gonna try to hit all 6 targets out there. As you can see, I'm gonna start shooting right now. There we go. Alright, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I will upload more videos about this. Also, please like and subscribe if you even see this video. Please. Thank you.